Good morning. Happy Friday. The end of the week. We have one more assignment, and then you guys get to rest for the next 2 days. So let's get started. The objective for today is you're going to be able to gather evidence from text in order to write a short essay that answers a prompt. The essential question is, what challenges do young people face when developing their own sense of identity or self? So yes, you are going to be writing today. You're going to write one paragraph. So you're going to use evidence from the poem Masks by Shel Silverstein to answer the question in a Peels paragraph. So that means your point, your evidence, your explanation, and then your concluding sentence. What challenges do young people face when developing their own sense of identity or self? That's the essential question for today, but it's also the essay prompt. So what you're going to do in here, in this box, is you're going to answer what the prompt is actually asking you. What is the prompt really trying to get you to understand, and what is it asking you to answer? Okay, I know for some people it might seem pretty straightforward, but it's always good to break it down to kind of understand exactly what they want you to say here. All right, so in creating your claim, you're going to do these three things, and you're going to answer the questions in these boxes. Okay. So what challenges do young people face when finding their identity? That's going to be the first thing you're going to answer. The next thing you're going to answer is, what evidence do you have to back that up? So that evidence is going to come from the poem Masks, which I give you right here, okay? So you're going to use evidence from that poem to back up that statement. And then you're going to write, how does that evidence support your point? Let me actually see if I can. So I'm going to give you a little bit of help with this. So you're going to put your quote inside of here, and you're going to put the author's name and last name, and the line number of the poem, okay? So then after that, you're going to explain how your evidence supports your point. So you can write something like, this shows that, and then you're going to answer that question, okay? My dog is barking. Drogo, hey, stop. All right, so let's get back. As you can see, he listens very well. All right. So you're going to answer this question, you're going to give me some evidence, and then you're going to explain how your evidence supports the answer that you gave right here. All right, so after you create your claim, you're going to write your paragraph. So I'm going to give you an attached document with a graphic organizer, and you are going to write your paragraph in that document that's going to be attached. Okay, you're going to answer the question, you're going to provide evidence to support your answer, and you're going to explain how your evidence, look at this, making mistakes, how your evidence relates to your point. Okay, so it will be pretty simple when you look at the actual graphic organizer, because it's going to say point, evidence, explanation, link. You're going to be able to follow those things and answer the question to the best of your ability. All right, short one for today. But if you have any questions or you need any help at all, please make sure that you ask me through the live questions document. That's the best way to ask questions. When it comes to asking questions through Google Classroom, it doesn't always come to me quickly. So I want to make sure that if you are asking me questions, you're asking those on the live questions document, because I see them as soon as you type them in, and I get to answer them as soon as I see them. All right. So you have a good day. Happy Friday, and have a good weekend. And I'll see you on Monday.